What if I told you there's a place where ancient temples meet turquoise beaches, and every turn reveals a piece of living history? Welcome to Sicily, but not the Sicily you think you know. We're going beyond the Godfather cliches and venturing into the heart of this captivating island. In this video, we're diving into the 10 most breathtaking places you absolutely must visit in Sicily. Whether you're a history buff, a foodie, or a nature lover, Sicily will steal your heart. So, grab your travel journal, pack your sense of adventure, and get ready to fall in love with Sicily. Our first stop takes us high above the Ionian Sea, to the ancient town of Taormina. Imagine strolling through charming streets lined with colorful buildings, the scent of citrus blossoms in the air, and breathtaking views of the coastline at every turn. The crown jewel of Taormina and our first must-see is the ancient Greek theater. This isn't just a pile of old stones, it's a remarkably well-preserved theater, still used for performances today. Picture yourself sitting in the stands, taking in a concert or a play, with the backdrop of Mount Etna on one side and the sparkling Ionian Sea on the other. But Taormina is more than just its ancient theater. Take some time to wander through its charming streets, pop into local shops, and savor a leisurely lunch at a trattoria with a view. Next, we're traveling back in time to the Valley of the Temples in Agrigento. Here in Sicily, you'll find one of the most impressive collections of ancient Greek temples outside of Greece itself. Imagine walking among towering Doric columns, bathed in the warm Sicilian sun, feeling the weight of history all around you. The Temple of Concordia, in particular, is incredibly well preserved. As you explore the Valley of the Temples, take your time. Let the scale and grandeur of these ruins wash over you. And if you're visiting in the evening, try to catch the temples illuminated against the night sky. Ready for something completely different? We're heading to the coast near Agrigento to witness a natural wonder, Scala dei Turchi. Imagine a dazzling white cliff carved by centuries of wind and waves into a series of smooth, undulating terraces that resemble a giant staircase descending into the turquoise sea. The white marl rock, blindingly bright in the Sicilian sun, contrasts dramatically with the deep blue of the Mediterranean. Spend some time exploring the terraces, snapping photos, and soaking up the sun. And be sure to bring your swimsuit. The beach at the foot of Scala dei Turchi is perfect for a refreshing dip in the crystal-clear waters. For the best views, come at sunset. As the sun dips below the horizon, the white cliffs glow with a warm, ethereal light. Our next stop takes us to the heart of Sicily, Palermo, the island's captivating capital. It's a city of contrasts, a vibrant tapestry of cultures and history, where chaos and charm collide in the most delightful way. Prepare to be overwhelmed by the sights, sounds, and smells of Palermo's bustling markets. This is where you'll find the true heart and soul of the city. And speaking of heart and soul, let's talk about food. Palermo is a street food lover's paradise. Be sure to try the arancini, those crispy fried rice balls filled with all sorts of deliciousness. Explore the magnificent Palermo Cathedral, a stunning example of Norman architecture with Arab Norman influences. Get ready for an adventure because we're heading to the top of Europe, literally. Our next stop is Mount Etna, Europe's highest and most active volcano. Don't worry, Mount Etna is closely monitored and eruptions are usually slow and predictable. You can choose to hike to the summit, take a cable car, or even go on a guided jeep tour. As you ascend, you'll pass through a variety of landscapes, from lush vineyards to lunar-like volcanic terrain. Standing on the edge of a volcanic crater, feeling the heat rising from the earth, is an experience you won't soon forget. It's a powerful reminder of the raw, untamed beauty of nature. If you're visiting in the winter, you can even ski on Mount Etna's slopes. Our next stop takes us to a city steeped in history and legend, Syracuse, on Sicily's southeastern coast. This ancient Greek city, once a rival to Athens in power and influence, is now a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Explore the ruins of the Parco Archeologico della Neapolis, home to the impressive Greek theater, the Roman amphitheater, and the mysterious Ear of Dionysius, a cave with incredible acoustics. Step across the bridge to Ortigia, the city's historic heart, and you'll find yourself in a charming world of narrow streets, elegant piazzas, and stunning Baroque architecture. Wander through the maze-like alleys, discover hidden courtyards bursting with flowers, and soak up the laid-back island vibes. Be sure to visit the Piazza Duomo, a masterpiece of Sicilian Baroque architecture, and enjoy a leisurely lunch at a waterfront restaurant. And don't miss the chance to try the local specialty spaghetti ai ricci, pasta with sea urchin. If you're dreaming of golden sand beaches, crystal clear waters, and charming medieval streets, then Cefalù is calling your name. This picturesque coastal town, nestled at the foot of a towering rock, is the perfect blend of relaxation and history. Spend your days lounging on Cefalù's beautiful beach, swimming in the turquoise waters and soaking up the Sicilian sun. Then, as the sun begins to set, wander through the town's charming historic center, a maze of narrow cobblestone streets lined with colorful buildings, shops, and restaurants. Be sure to visit the magnificent Cefalù Cathedral, a UNESCO World Heritage Site with its striking Norman architecture and Byzantine mosaics. And for dinner, find a table at a restaurant with a view of the sea and savor the freshest seafood caught that day. Prepare to be amazed because our next stop takes us to a town so beautiful it feels like stepping into a painting. Welcome to Noto, a UNESCO World Heritage Site renowned for its stunning Baroque architecture. Imagine strolling down a street lined with honey-colored buildings, their facades adorned with intricate carvings, balconies, and sculptures. Noto is best explored on foot. Lose yourself in its charming streets, discover hidden courtyards, and admire the intricate details of the buildings. Be sure to visit the majestic Noto Cathedral, a masterpiece of Sicilian Baroque, and the Palazzo Nicolacci with its famous balcony adorned with grotesque figures. As the sun begins to set, the town is bathed in a warm, golden light, making it the perfect time for a stroll and a gelato. Ready for an adventure off the beaten path? Then set sail for the Aeolian Islands, a volcanic archipelago just north of Sicily. These islands offer a unique blend of dramatic landscapes, ancient history, and laid-back island vibes. Each island has its own distinct character. Lipari, the largest island, is a great base for exploring the archipelago. Visit its charming town, explore its ancient acropolis, and relax on its beautiful beaches. Volcano Island, as its name suggests, is home to a still-active volcano. Hike to the crater for stunning views and a chance to experience the raw power of nature. Stromboli, known as the lighthouse of the Mediterranean, is famous for its regular volcanic eruptions. Witness the spectacle of glowing lava spewing from the crater at night, a truly unforgettable sight. Our final stop takes us to a town perched dramatically on a hilltop, overlooking a valley of olive groves and vineyards. Welcome to Ragusa Ibla, considered by many to be the most beautiful town in Sicily. Ragusa Ibla is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and a masterpiece of Sicilian Baroque architecture. Its narrow, winding streets lined with elegant palazzi, churches and gardens seem to tumble down the hillside, creating a truly magical atmosphere. Be sure to visit the Duomo di San Giorgio, a masterpiece of Baroque architecture, and the Giardino Ibleo, a beautiful public garden with stunning views of the valley. For a truly unique experience, take a cooking class and learn how to prepare some of the region's traditional dishes. And as the sun begins to set, find a spot on a terrace overlooking the valley and savor a glass of local wine. So which of these breathtaking places are you adding to your Sicily bucket list? Let us know in the comments below. And if this video inspired you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss out on our next adventure. Want to see the hidden food spots of Sicily next? Let us know.